Entertainment with the Capital One Saver Card. Capital One, what's in your wallet?
Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com for details.
Coming to Apple TV Plus, The Lost Bus, the critically acclaimed TV film starring Academy Award winner Matthew
Bakit sa
McConaughey and
Lunes?
Academy Award nominee America Ferrera.
We play a bus driver, a school teacher, a pair of real-life heroes, the deadliest wildfire in California's history.
We have 23 kids stranded.
963 the base, I can get them. This story is dedicated to them.
The Lost Bus, rated R, under 17, animated without parent. Intellect theater September 19th, streaming October 3rd on Apple TV Plus.
Auto insurance
Elsa
bills
also.
can be unbearable, but don't worry. Sequoia, the
Hey,
local
hey, hey, hey.
insurance there is here. If you have a
sige.
valid California driver's license, even with no prior insurance, you're a new driver, or have an AB60 license sponsored by the state, we could get you covered. To see if you're eligible, call 866-602-8861 or go to mylowcostauto.com. That's mylowcostauto.com.
Okay, I have to tell you, I was just looking on eBay where I go for all kinds of things I love, and there it was.
That hologram
Ito yung
One of the
Tesla
rarest
ngayon na mura
last
Model
year,
S.
shiny like this.
Designer handbag of my dreams.
At
Okay,
3,000.
they have it, and now everyone's asking, ooh, where'd you get yours?
Windshield wipers. eBay has all the parts that fit my car. No more annoying. Just beautiful.
Millions of finds, each with a story. eBay, things people love.
The soul of the West lives on in every pair of handcrafted cowboy boots. That Boot Barn. We're proud to carry a heritage brand that's been preserving tradition and honing their craft since 1879. Made with techniques passed down from father to son, Justin Boots stand for quality, comfort, and timelessness. With roots going back over 100 years, they're more than a boot maker. They're a Western legacy. Justin Boots at Boot Barn.
KOIT and HD1 San Francisco. Broadcasting from the Coit Cleaning and Restoration Studios. Preparing to celebrate 75 years of keeping Bay Area homes and businesses clean and healthy. Visit COIT.com.
We've got some early morning rain and scattered showers. They will be breezy at times. Highs will remain above average, ranging from the mid-60s to mid-70s. It's 64 in El Cerrito.
Always playing the most music with less talk for your workday. Listen to Coit commercial-free hours weekdays at 7:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Nearly 90 minutes of
CB.
today's hits and yesterday's favorites while you
Where's
work.
the A? lakad niya.
We specialize in playing feel-good music while you work. 96.5 KO IT.
Alam mo, liit ng sasakyan ah. Mabababa. Pero ang tagal. Lola eh. Oh, hindi ako, gonggong. Tinitignan ng lalaki din. Busina pa siya. Uy, may nagsusumba sa loob.
and yesterday's favorites while you work.